Where y'all niggas at? Y'all niggas ain't out here. But shit, marching down Roosevelt by myself. The only count that's out here on the motherfucking block. The whole motherfucking man army, nigga. You know who that motherfucking be, nigga. Where y'all bitches at? Where y'all bitches at? Y'all ain't nowhere to be found out here. Nowhere to be found. What's up? Where's your hood at? Y'all ain't out here. Where? I don't see none of you bitches out here. None of you. Where y'all niggas at? Plus you play a killer, nigga, all day, every day. Y'all know that. Watch. Hold up. Check it out. Y'all bitches really want to get down and greasy? Watch how greasy we get down in this hood. And I'm in red, brother. Where we at? We out here. Where y'all niggas at? Where y'all niggas at? Y'all ain't out here. Look, y'all niggas ain't out here. Where y'all bitches at? Y'all bitches ain't out here. Wait, is that the bus coming down your block? Yep, that's the bus coming down your block. Where y'all at? Let's go to your alley. Let's come to your alley. Where's your alley at? Oh, this is your alley right here. Where your alley at? Where's your boys at? Hey, I'm standing right here in front of y'all crib. What's up? Where y'all niggas at? We play a killer up in this bitch. Play a killer, can't kill a nigga. Amor de content. Y'all niggas ain't out here. Where y'all niggas at? Y'all niggas ain't on shit. Bitch ass niggas. Taz Rods, motherfucker. 12th Street player, killer nigga. Suck out. I know none of y'all niggas out here. Was that where y'all were coming from? Look, nobody. Look. Roosevelt and Mason, laying counter, nigga. Hey, it's me, Weddle, nigga. Ha, bitches. You know who it is. Y'all niggas want it? You know where to find it. Y'all niggas ain't on shit. Who behind us? Still ain't nothing. What up, fam?
What up?
What's going on? Same old shit, just a different day, smoking that loud. Niggas ain't out here for shit. We got this block sold up. This is our hood. Land counts. Our mo. No love. Going over to our side. Land count side. Look at it. We got both sides covered. Niggas ain't talking about shit. We got two scary ass niggas right here. They won't say shit. They ain't gonna bust the grape. They ain't gonna say shit. Yeah, buddy.